Hey y'all, I'm Krista with Country K-Dance, and today I'll be teaching the line dance Honky Tonk Way to the song I See Country by Ian Munsick. It's a 32 count 4-wall intermediate level dance choreographed by Landon, James Purvis, and Mark Paulino. I'll go 1 8 count at a time. Let's turn around and get started. All right, to start out the first 8 count, we're going to do 2 kicks with our right leg straight forward. So we kick 1, 2. Then with that right leg, we're going to coaster step. So we take the right foot back, the left foot meets up with it, and then the right foot goes forward. So again, we did 1, 2, back, back, forward. That happens on 3 and 4. One more time, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good, now we're gonna almost repeat that on the left, but a slight change. The first kick on the left foot goes forward, but the second kick goes out to the side. And then we're gonna do a coaster step on the left, back, back, forward. Okay, so just the left side, we kick 5, kick 6, 7, and 8. From the top slow, 5, 6, 7, 2 kicks, 1, 2, coaster step, kick out, side, coaster step. All right, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, kick, kick, coaster step, kick, out, coaster step. Moving on to that second 8 count, we finished with a left coaster step. On 1, we're gonna touch our right foot out to the side. On 2, we're gonna turn to our right and kick our foot forward at the same time. That happens on 2. So again, from the coaster step, we touch 1, kick it, 2, and then we're gonna coaster step again with this right foot, back, back, forward on 3 and 4. Okay, so just try that. 5, 6, 7, and 8, touch, 1, kick, 2, 3, and 4. Good. So now, to finish out this second 8 count, we're gonna rock it out. So we're gonna start by stepping with our left foot forward, big stomp, and then we tap our right toe, 6, 7, and while we're tapping our right toe, we're also rocking out, kind of like you're on an air guitar, okay? So we did our coaster step. We step left, 5, rock 6, rock 7. On 8, we're making a full half turn over our right shoulder and hitching our right knee up. So full half turn, hitch the right knee up. That's 8, okay? That's the whole 8 count. So from the top of it, we'll go slow. We just did a left coaster step, 7 and 8, touch, 1, kick, 2, coaster, 3 and 4, step, 5, rock, 6, rock, 7, half turn, 8. Good, let's do it a little faster. 5, 6, 7, and 8, touch, 1, kick, 2, 3 and 4, step, 5, rock, 6, rock, 7, 8. All right, now that you know the first 2 8 counts, let's go ahead and put them together before we move on. Here we go from the top. 5, 6, 7, kick forward, 1, 2, coaster 3 and 4, kick 5, 6, coaster 7 and 8, tap 1, turn 2, 3 and 4, step 5, rock 6, rock 7, turn 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, kick 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, touch 1, 2, 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, 7, turn 8. All right, this 8 count, the third 8 count is definitely the more challenging one since it has some fast movement and some turning in it. So let's get started. We hitch up with the right leg on 8. We're gonna take 2 steps walking straight forward, which is actually the 9 o'clock wall right now. 1, 2, that was right, left. Now on and 3 and 4, so it happens quickly, we're gonna go out, out, in, but the second in will be a little step forward, okay? So we take our right foot out, left foot out, right foot in, left foot in, forward, okay? Let's try that from the hitch. This is 8, we walk 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, walk, 1, 2, out, out, in, cross. Good. From here is where we have all the turns. The first one is just a step pivot. So we step forward on our right on 5, pivot over our left shoulder, 6, putting our weight into our left leg. Then we're gonna make another whole half turn, stepping back on our right foot once we get there. So we pivot half and step back on the right on 7, okay? So before I add 8, let's try that. We did out, out, in, forward. We step 5, pivot 6, step 7. Good. From here, we're at the wall we just started at before we started the turns. We were at this wall. To finish on 8, all we're gonna do is open up 1/4 to our left with our left foot. That's 8, and that takes us from the full turn to another quarter. All right. So from the top, very slow, of this 8 count, we hitched on 8. We walk forward 1, 2, out, out, in, forward, step 5, pivot, 6, turn, 7, turn, 8. And at this point, you should be facing your back wall or your 6 o'clock wall. Let's try it a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, walk, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, step 5, pivot, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So remember, it's step, half turn, quarter turn. And once you get that down, it'll be a little bit more fluid and it won't be like step, step, step. You can make it just, when you think about it, it'll be a 1 1/4 turn to get you to the next wall. All right, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, up, 8, walk, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, step 5, turn 6, turn 7, turn 8. All right, we have the first 3 8 counts down. Let's go ahead and put them together. We'll do it once on the slower side and then we'll speed it up. From the top, here we go. 5, 6, 7, we kick on 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, touch 1, kick 2, 3, and 4, step 5, rocket 6, 7, up, 8, step 1, 2, out, out, in, forward, step, pivot, turn, turn. All right, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, kicks, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, tap, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, turn 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the fourth 8 count, once we get here, we're actually facing our back wall. But for the purposes of learning, I'm gonna turn around to the front so that you can watch my feet. Then we'll try it facing the proper direction. So we just did our pivot, turn, half turn, quarter turn, and we're facing our back wall right now. To start this fourth 8 count, we're gonna take our right foot over our left foot out to the side. Then we're gonna do a sailor step, right behind left, left slightly out, right out. That happens on 3 and 4. And when you do that 4 step, you're gonna sway your hip a little bit with it. So we're here on 8, we cross 1, out, 2, behind, 3, and 4. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. To finish out the rest of this 8 count, we're gonna continue swaying. We'll sway left on 5, sway right on 6. We're gonna step 1/4 to our left with our left foot and then scuff with our right, and we're ready to kick to start again, okay? So again, we did our 3 and 4. We sway 5, sway 6, step 7, scuff 8. Okay? Let's try that whole 8 count slow, and then we'll speed it up. 5, 6, 7, 8, step 1, step 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, cross, 1, out, 2, 3, and 4, sway, 5, 6, step, scuff. Now that you know the fourth 8 count, let's go ahead and do it facing the wall that we would be facing. So we're at our 6 o'clock wall. We just turned around to face this direction, weights in our left foot. We step forward, cross, 1, out, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, step, 7, scuff, 8. Speed it up, 5, 6, 7, 8, cross, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is where we'll start our second wall. That is the whole dance. That's all 4 8 counts. Let's go ahead and put it all together. We'll go slow first, then we'll speed it up. 5, 6, 7, kick forward on 1, 2, coaster 3 and 4, kick forward and side, 7 and 8, touch 1, kick 2, coaster 3 and 4, step 5, rock 6, 7, turn 8, step 1, 2 and 3 and 4, step 5, turn 6, turn 7, 8, cross 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Let's do it a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, kick on 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, touch 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now let's do the dance to each of the rest of the walls in a row so you can get a feeling of how it flows through all the rest of the walls. 5, 6, 7, 8, kick 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Last wall. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so you know the dance, but there is one tag that happens later on in the song. It does happen right after the 12th wall. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So our 12th wall starts here at 9 o'clock and it ends up finishing at 12 o'clock before we start the tag. So let's do this wall right here. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we should be at 12 o'clock when the tag happens. The tag is 4 counts. All we do is step that right foot down across and we unwind 6, 7, 8, only a 3/4 unwind, and it lands you facing the 3 o'clock wall, okay? So again, we start the 12th wall here at 9 o'clock. It ends at 12 o'clock. We cross, do a 3/4 unwind. We're at 3 o'clock. And now we're gonna start another wall. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's Honky Tonk Way, 32 count, 4-wall, intermediate level dance with 1 tag. I taught the tag as it is in the step sheet, but some people, it trips them up and they end up facing the wrong direction. So you can either go with the flow or you can try to pioneer everyone on board the step sheet way, whatever happens in the bar. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I will put a link to the demo right over here. I will also link the demo and the step sheet in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.